Allison. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Agoo. Yeah? And then what happened? Yeah? Then what happened? You say, oh. 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 Yeah. Say, oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Say, oh. Oh. Allison. Oh. 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 Yeah. Oh. Oh. Allison. Oh. A googie googie googie. A googie googie googie. Bye bye. Daniel, who are you?
I'm Daniel.
You're Daniel, but what are you dressed as?
Mama.
Superman. Do you like Superman?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you look at me? Look at mommy. No, look at mommy. What are you looking at? Hey, over here, bud. Stoner. There you are. Ooh.
No.
No nose? No. Ooh. Oh, you fogged up the camera. Or you made a smudgy spot. Hey, who are you again?
I'm Daniel.
Yeah, and what are you dressed as?
Mama.
Superman? Hey, watch the toys. Can you say Superman? Say Superman. Say Superman. Superman. Okay. There's Dinosaur Train. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Alrighty, we're putting up our Christmas tree now. Daniel's doing a good job. Mommy's been putting some ornaments on the front. Yeah, you've got a nice band-aid. And I asked Daniel to put some ornaments on the back of the tree. And no, don't take it off, please. And I just had a look to see how well he was putting the ornaments on the back. And this is what I saw. Yeah. Daniel put all the ornaments on the electrical outlet line. So, yeah, Mommy was doing a good job watching. Obviously, nothing on the back of the tree, just on the plug line. So, Mommy couldn't watch because Allison's crying. But you did a good job, Daniel. Wow, that is so good. Good job. Not on the tree, but on there. Good job, Daniel. Yay! Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Here's Allison with one of her new toys from Christmas. Oh, you had a hold of it. There you go. You gonna grab it? Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay, say bye-bye. Hi, baby. Oh. I goo goo goo. I goo. I goo goo goo.
She's got the laptop.
Where's she gone? Oh, she's taking my screen.
One more.
Okay, one more. A Mickey Boo! A Mickey Boo! Yeah, you're so funny. Yeah. Bye-bye. Here's Allison. Agoo! 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 You got the hiccups too, eh? Here's my baby Allison. Agoo! Yeah. Agoo! You're a cutie baby, huh? Yes, you are Mommy's cutie baby. What do you say? Hagoo! 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 Yeah. Hagoo! Yeah, you're Mommy's cutie. You got a nice outfit on. It's got a little kitty. Meow, meow. This outfit's from Nana and Granddad, isn't it? And you got a little doggy. Hey, it's from Bill and Pat, isn't it? Hello. And there's Cinder having a lick. So close to the cats. Hagoo! Hagoo! Yeah, you like that. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Okay, Daniel. Do some reps. Okay. 1. Down. Okay, Daniel. Start again.
Get me in it, Mark.
1. 2. 3.
4.
Keep going. Keep going. 4. Down again. Okay, look at me this way. Look at me. Do it. 1. Down. Down. Okay, and up. Up again. 1.
Big strong boy.
His pants are halfway down his backside. Daniel? Those are dumbbells. You do it in one hand, like this. Do it like this. You do it with both hands. Okay, 1. Can you do it? There you go. 1, 2. Look at me. You got to count as well, Daniel. Oh, I don't think you can do them all together. 1, 2, 3. Daniel, what comes next? 4 and 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good boy. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Look at the camera. Say goodbye.
Bye.